Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Do you find the settings menu in Edge overwhelming? Say you want to change something simple, like how your browser looks. You've got to dig through option after option after option. Frustrating, right? Luckily, that's about to change. The settings page is getting a cleanup. There'll be smaller sections so you can find things faster. You'll also see shortcuts to go straight to your favorite settings. It's going to be much easier to navigate. If you need help making the most of the new features in your business, we can help. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.